Welcome back to Cloud with Ozzy. Last time, we demystified cloud computing, breaking down what the cloud really means. Today, we're going one level deeper because not all clouds are created equal. What if I told you that building a website, streaming your favorite show, and analyzing data for $1 billion company might all use cloud computing but in totally different ways? In this video, I'll unpack the three main types of cloud services: IaaS, PaaS, and SaaS. By then, you'll know exactly what these mean, how they impact your digital life, and when to use each, plus some fun real-life examples along the way. Pop quiz: is Netflix a cloud service? What about Gmail or the game you played last night? The answers might surprise you, so let's dive in. Why should you care about these cloud service types? Because whether you're browsing the web, starting a tech business, or just curious about how modern apps are built, knowing your IaaS from your SaaS helps you make smarter decisions and see the cloud in action everywhere. First up, infrastructure as a service, or IaaS. Think of IaaS like renting the land and basic utilities to build your dream house. You don't have to buy the land or install the water lines, you just rent them and build whatever you want, however you want. With IaaS, companies rent virtual servers, storage, and networking from a cloud provider. You get full control. You pick the operating systems, install any software, and manage it all yourself. It's super flexible. You can scale up or down whenever you want. Ever heard of Amazon Web Services EC2 or Microsoft Azure Virtual Machines? That's IaaS. Companies use these when they want maximum flexibility and are ready to manage their own IT environment. Next, platform as a service, or PaaS. Imagine a fully furnished workshop where all the tools are laid out for you. Just walk in and start creating. With PaaS, developers get a ready-to-use platform, the operating system, development tools, and even database management are handled for you. You just focus on coding your app, testing it, and launching it, and you get to skip the headache of managing servers or patching software. Have you built an app on Google App Engine, Heroku, or Microsoft Azure App Service? That's PaaS in action. It's perfect for startups and software teams who want to build and scale fast. Finally, software as a service, or SaaS. This is the cloud service you probably use every single day, maybe without even knowing it. Imagine moving into a fully furnished apartment. All you need is your suitcase. With SaaS, everything's ready to go. You access complete software apps over the internet, no installs, no maintenance, just use and go. You log into Gmail, edit documents in Google Workspace, or binge watch Netflix. All of these are SaaS. SaaS is perfect for everyone from daily users to massive companies because you get powerful tools with zero setup headaches. Still not sure which is which? Here's an easy way to remember. With IaaS, you manage most things. It has maximum flexibility. And a great example is AWS EC2. With PaaS, you just manage your app. It has medium flexibility. And an example is Heroku. And with SaaS, you manage nothing. It's the easiest to use. And examples are Gmail and Netflix. So, to break it down even simpler, IaaS means you build and control everything. PaaS means you build your app, but the provider handles the rest. And SaaS means you just use the finished product. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to give a thumbs up and subscribe, because my next video will tackle cloud security, how your data stays safe, and what threats to watch out for. Thanks for watching Cloud with Ozzy, where we make tech simple and fun. See you in the next one.